Hello? Today, we'll guide you step by step on how to install the battery in your Orientrise CCS2 to GBT adapter. This process is quick and straightforward, ensuring your adapter is ready to charge your EV at any CCS2 compatible station. Let's first take a look at what's inside the box. When you open the packaging, you'll find a user manual, a USB charging cable, a USB flash drive for future firmware updates. Now, let's take a closer look at the CCS2 to GBT adapter itself. This product is CE certified, meeting all EU standards, and weighs only 2 kilograms. Its lightweight and compact design make it highly portable and easy to operate during setup or use. You'll notice a USB port on the adapter. This feature enables future firmware upgrades, ensuring compatibility with evolving charging standards and new charging stations. Here's the CCS2 port, which connects to the charging cable, and here's the GBT port, which connects to your EV. Simply secure the adapter with the latch and press the power button to begin operation. Now, let's proceed with the battery installation. Place the CCS2 to GBT adapter face down on a clean, flat surface. Refer to the user manual for detailed instructions. Before starting, prepare an 18,650 lithium battery. Make sure the positive end of the battery is raised. Also, grab a suitable screwdriver. Using a small screwdriver, carefully remove the screws to open the battery compartment. Inside, you'll find the battery slot. Insert the 18,650 lithium battery, ensuring the raised positive end is facing upwards. Proper alignment is crucial for the adapter to function correctly. Next, neatly arrange the connecting wires and secure them in place. This will prevent any pinching or interference when closing the compartment. Once everything is aligned, reattach the back panel and tighten the screws securely, but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. With the battery installed and the back panel in place, it's time to test the adapter. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. If the indicator light turns on and flashes, the installation was successful, and your adapter is ready to use. Now that your CCS2 to GBT adapter is fully set up and operational, you can connect it to any CCS2 charging station and charge your GBT-compatible EV effortlessly.